Hello everyone, welcome to our class. Here we are discussing the chapter Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom is the largest kingdom. On the chapter Animal Kingdom, we are discussing now the topic Phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca. Okay. So, which is the largest phylum in kingdom? Animalia. That is kingdom Animalia. The largest phylum, that is phylum Arthropoda. Okay. So, second largest phylum, that is Mollusca. Second largest phylum, that is Mollusca. Okay. Mollusca, the Latin word molluscus. From the term molluscus, the phylum name Mollusca formed. Molluscus means soft. It is the second largest phylum in the animal kingdom. The main characters of this phylum are terrestrial or aquatic organisms are seen in this group. Then organ system level of body organization. Body is triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical and coelomate. Okay, now I hope now you are familiar with the term triploblastic, bilateral symmetry and the coelomate. Then body is organized into three distinct regions: head, muscular foot and visceral hump. Okay, the body divides into three main parts. The three main parts are head, muscular foot and visceral hump. The body covered by a soft and spongy layer of skin fold that is known as mantle. The mantle contains a cavity that is known as mantle cavity. Mollusca, the group Mollusca include the organism cuttlefish, squid, devilfish. Devilfish means octopus. Okay. Then all you are familiar with the term kakka, nyauni. Okay. All these are Malayalam terms. I know all you are familiar with these terms. So outside they have a hard covering. Inside they have a soft portion, soft and spongy portion. Okay. A skin-like structure. That is known as mantle. And mantle contains a cavity that is known as mantle cavity. The body of the organism divides into three main parts: head, muscular foot and a visceral hump. Shell is usually secreted by the mantle. The outer covering, the body's exoskeleton is secreted by the mantle. Digestive system is complex. They have mouth-like. Okay, not proper mouth as us. They have a finger or file-like rasping organ are present in the mouth portion. That finger-like or file-like rasping organ, that is known as radula for feeding. File-like rasping organ. Mouth contains file-like rasping organ, radula for feeding. So these organisms are lives in water. Okay, so always this file-like radula open and close. So at that time the organisms are enter into the mouth. Circulatory system is open type. Open type means there is no blood vessels. The blood is directly passed from the head to different part of the body. Okay. Then the blood contain copper pigment. Okay. So that's why the name is hemocyanin. Hemocyanin. Our blood is hemoglobin, because globin is the protein part and heme is the iron part. Here the molluscus blood contain copper. That's why the name of the blood. The blood is known as hemocyanin. And the excretory organ name is organ of Bojanus. Excretory organ, that is organ of Bojanus. Then the sense organs include eyes, statocyst and ostradia. Ostradia is a chemoreceptor. Chemoreceptor means they can detect the taste or the purity of water. Okay, so sense organs include eyes, statocyst and ostradia. Again I am repeating the points. Please be listen. The phylum Mollusca. This is the second largest animal phylum. Phylum Mollusca, the term means molluscus means soft body. It includes soft bodied invertebrate animals, usually with a shell and a characteristic ventral muscular foot. Terrestrial or aquatic. Organ system level of organization will be seeing triploblastic, coelomate, bilateral symmetry. The body is divisible into head, visceral foot, visceral mask. The body is unsegmented and it is covered by calcareous shell. Okay. Then the digestive system is complete and it having a rasping organ is usually present for feeding. The name of the rasping organ is radula. Circulatory system is open. Then they have a sense organs like eyes, ostradia, O-S-P-H-R-A-D-I-A, ostradia. Okay, the respiration takes place through the organ of Bojana's. And the development is indirect. Indirect development means there is a larval stage. So the larval stages are trochophore larva, veliger larva, clostridium. What are the larval form? Trochophore, veliger and clostridium. These are the larval forms. Okay. Then the common organism which seen in this group is octopus, devilfish. Octopus commonly known as devilfish. Loligo, squid. Sepia, cuttlefish. Pinctada, pearl oyster. We are cultivating the pearl from the organism pearl oyster. Then dentalium, tusk shell. Okay, again I am repeating, you just listen. Octopus, devilfish, loligo, squid, sepia, cuttlefish, pinctada, pearl oyster, dentalium, tusk shell. Dentalium, tusk shell. Okay. Next group that we are discussing, that is phylum Echinodermata. Echinodermata. Okay, so here echinos, E-C-H-I-N-O-S. Echinos means hedgehog, mullambandi. Okay, so these are the spiny skinned animals. Spiny skinned animals. Here, the starfishes are included in this group, Echinodermata. The most important feature of this group is adults are radially symmetrical, but the larvae are bilaterally symmetrical. Okay, the other phylum that we have studied, all organs of the larval stage and the adult organism having the same symmetry. But here the adults are radially symmetrical. Adults are radially symmetrical, but the larvae are bilaterally symmetrical. Okay, triploblastic, coelomate, uncephalized. Uncephalized means there is no the unsegmented body. Okay, unsegmented body, there is no cephalization. Cephalization means there is no head, proper head portion is not being found. Starfish have a head portion? No, that is uncephalized. Cephalized means head portion. Uncephalized means there is no head portion. Body having calcareous endoskeleton. Calcareous means calcium rich endoskeleton. So here we will be seeing water vascular system or ambulacral system is the feature of Echinodermata. We studied water canal system or water transport system in the case of Porifera. But here we are telling water vascular system or ambulacral system. That is a feature of phylum Echinodermata. Okay, and the locomotion, they move with the help of tube feet. I will send you one YouTube link, then you will be understand what is this tube feet. Locomotion by tube feet. Excretory system is absent in this organism. Excretory system is absent. Sexes are separate with sexual reproduction. Then development is indirect with free swimming larva, and they have the high capacity of regeneration. Regeneration means any part will be cut down, they have the ability to form that or remake that part. That is power of regeneration. Again I am repeating the point. Organ system level of body organization, triploblastic, coelomate, larva, the radially symmetrical or the adults are radially symmetrical, but the larvae are bilaterally symmetrical. Then uncephalized, calcareous endoskeleton will be seeing. Water vascular system or ambulacral system is seeing. So this water vascular system or ambulacral system help in locomotion, capture and transport of food and respiration. It is a modified part of coelom. Water vascular system or ambulacral system is a modified part of the coelom. Excretory system is absent. Sexes are separate with sexual reproduction. Development is indirect with free swimming larvae. The organism having high power of regeneration. The common organisms in this group, that is Asterias, starfish, Ophiura, brittle star, Echinus, sea urchin. Cucumeria, sea cucumber. Asterias, starfish. Ophiura, brittle star. Echinus, sea urchin. Cucumeria, sea cucumber. Clear it is.